Oh yeah. Sorry, Zeus. I love you. Next time, I don't want to sit here. Next time, you don't need to do that. Before next time, Zeus, do that again. I'll spank you with a bottle, man. I spanked you with a bottle right now, but you earned it. Okay? Okay? You did that to yourself for putting my hand in your mouth. You do that again, you're gonna get it big. Whoa. I'm trying to do something nice for you. Hi. It's me again, Nathaniel Villa. I'm making videos every Saturday now. Yep. My neighbors in a bouncy house party. Luckies. Good dogs. My dogs. They're dogs. Should treat them right. If you have a dog, like a pit bull, like a blue Gotti pit, how older he gets, the more harder you need to spank him. He'll listen more. The more older he gets, more bigger he gets, more meaner he gets. Spank him hard with the bottle. Okay? I know he's getting out of control. Dang, you're beating up on him. Look at that. That's painful. Look at Sophie's face. Kiss poop. Kiss poop. Kiss poop. Up. Yeah, get off. Get away. Don't need to be smelling my crap. Away and away. Kiss this doo-doo. Chooby dooby 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 chooby dooby 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 boobies. This, you want this? You want this, baby boy? More older he gets, harder you're gonna need to spank him. More older they get, more bigger they get. You're gonna need to spank them. Thumbs up if you understand what's coming out of my mouth. Thumbs down if you have no clue what in the world I am saying. Up, okay. Okay. Oh my! Oh, Sophie! Oh, dog business. Aw, look at Sophie. She's doing her doo-doo. Gosh. Her dogs died. Sophie's dogs. Brown one. Her dogs died. One of them got buried right there where that trash can is. Sophie! She's trying to do her business, but she can't. Get away, Zeus. Get away. Over. Oh my gosh, Zeus. You know what? I gotta go, okay? Thumbs up.